Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically farm DTI like pink money on the stream press, of course. So what you can do is whenever you spawn into like a lobby here, or once like they're done voting, make sure you like play this obby here. I'm really bad at it, not gonna lie. Make sure you play it. They have like different ones. They have like easier ones than this one is the one that I can't really do because like I have to kind of move it, and like once you reach the end there's more like money there. You can also play the game and just go around and harvest money by walking. You can also do that in free play mode. They'll spawn every time and you won't even have to worry about the time. So make sure you do that as well if you have the time. I know like collecting this takes such a long time. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.